Imagine stepping into a new place, meeting someone for the first time. That initial exchange, those first words, they set the tone for everything that follows. In German, just like in any language, mastering these first impressions is key to connecting with people. And today, we are going to unlock exactly that. Let us begin with the most common and versatile greeting, Guten Tag. Say it with me. Guten Tag. Guten Tag. This means good day and is widely used throughout the day, roughly from mid-morning to late afternoon. It is formal, polite, and safe for almost any situation. For something a bit more casual, especially with friends or younger people, you'll often hear hello. That is ha-lo. Hello. It's like saying hello in English, and it's wonderfully versatile, perfect for informal settings. Now, for greetings specific to the time of day. In the morning, you would say Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. This is good morning. In the evening, it's Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Guten Abend, meaning good evening. And when you're heading to bed or saying goodnight, it's Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. Notice the slight difference here. It's gute instead of guten because Nacht is a feminine noun. After a greeting, it's natural to ask someone how they are doing. In German, there are two ways, depending on whether you're being formal or informal. For formal situations, like with someone you don't know well, an elder, or in a professional context, you ask, Wie geht es Ihnen? Say it slowly. Wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es Ihnen? This translates to, how are you, using the formal you. If you're speaking with a friend, family member, or someone your age in an informal setting, you use Wie geht es dir? Wie geht es dir? Wie geht es dir? This is, how are you, using the informal you. The standard response to how are you is Es geht mir gut, danke. Try it. Es geht mir gut, danke. Es geht mir gut, danke, which means I'm doing well, thank you. And then you can politely return the question, Und Ihnen? Und Ihnen, for formal, or Und dir? Und dir, for informal. This means, and you? Next, let's introduce ourselves. There are a couple of straightforward ways. The most common is Ich heiße Emma. Ich heiße means my name is, or literally I am called. So for me, it would be Ich heiße Emma. Another polite option is Mein Name ist Emma. Mein Name ist Emma, which means my name is Emma. Both are perfectly acceptable. You might also want to say where you're from. For that, we use Ich komme aus, your country or city. Ich komme aus den Germany, which means I come from Germany, or Ich komme aus London, I come from London. Before we practice putting it all together, let's quickly cover some essential polite phrases. Bitte. 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 This versatile word means both please and you're welcome. Danke. 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 This means thank you. And if you need to apologize or get someone's attention, Entschuldigung. 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 This means excuse me or sorry. Finally, saying goodbye. For a formal goodbye, you'll hear Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Literally, until we see again. For an informal goodbye, especially with friends, it's Tschüss. 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 Like bye in English. Now let's try a quick example. Imagine you're meeting someone new. Guten Tag. Ich heiße Emma. Wie geht es Ihnen? They might reply, Es geht mir gut, danke. Und Ihnen? Ich heiße Anna. And you could say, Es geht mir auch gut, danke. Ich komme aus den USA. Remember, the key to language learning is practice, practice, practice. Don't be afraid to try these phrases out loud. The more you speak them, the more natural they will feel. You've just taken your first confident steps into German, and that's something to be truly proud of. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.